this question. Please pause the video to read the question so that you understand the situation. Pause now. Now let us look at the solution for this problem. The student cycle along a level road at a speed of 5.0 meter per second. So initially the student is cycling on a road and the velocity is 5.0. And then the total mass is 130 kg. The student applied the brake and stopped. So when the student stopped to apply the brake, it is in this situation. So this one, the initial velocity here is 5.0 and finally it stops. It is 0 meter per second. And then the distance given here, 10 meter. And then how to solve this problem? We need to apply this formula because the question here, what is the average braking force? So mass is given in the question, so you don't have any problem with the mass. The problem here is acceleration. How do you know what is the acceleration? So we need to apply equation of motion. I hope you still remember we have 4 equation of motion. You need to memorize all this. Actually, you should be able to derive, but it's okay if you just memorize it in order to make it quicker. And then how to choose which is the correct equation that we should apply here. Look at the situation here. What is the information that is not given? So you can see here time is not given. Time is not given in the question. So look at the equation here. Which equation which consists of time cannot be used? So that is why you can see that the only equation that does not have time is equation 2. So we can apply equation 2 here. And then rearrange the equation. And then apply the values given. Okay, as we know that final velocity is 0. And initial velocity is 5, so you put it here. And then S is displacement, so the displacement is given 10 meter. And then you solve the equation, you get negative 1.25 meter per second squared. So that is the acceleration of a bicycle. So you can substitute into the formula, and the value is negative 1.25 meter per second squared, and then get the answer 150 Newton. Okay, so the answer is A. Actually, you should write negative value here, but the negative value in this equation means that the object or the force actually is given in opposite direction, so that it will stop in the end. So that is why actually when you choose the answer, you can ignore the negative sign because it just shows the direction of the force. So the answer is A.